In this video, I will show you how to calculate digital sum in Microsoft Excel. So you have to type this formula equal sign. Now 1 plus mod. Now select this mod returns the remainder after a number is divided by a divisor. So double click on it. Now select this cell. Now minus and type 1 comma 9, then closing bracket and press enter. So you have get this result. Now drag and drop. Like this. So this is the way, guys, you can calculate digital sum in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.